start breaking their confidence. Because arrays are not just a list of numbers. If you understand a few hidden ideas behind the arrays, half of your DSA problems become easier. So, before solving arrays questions, there are five important things every student must know. Let's break them down. Array stores the element in the contiguous memory. First important things, array store the data in the contiguous memory allocation. Seat in the movie theater. Every seat is next to other. You can take another example. Here is that 10, 20, 30, 40. This is an array. All values are stored side by side in the memory. Why does this matter? Because when elements are stored continuously, the computer can jump directly to any elements instantly. That is why array access is extremely fast. In array in big of fun is superpower of array. This is the biggest advantage of arrays. If I ask you, give me the fourth element, the computer doesn't check element one by one. It directly jumps to that location. That is why array access time complexity is big of fun, which is constant time. Meaning, whether the array has 10 elements or 10 million elements, access time is almost the same. This is why arrays are used everywhere, like databases, operating system, competitive programming, and even for the image processing. Here is the hidden weakness of arrays. Imagine this array. Now, suppose we want to insert 25 between 20 and 30. What happened? Before, this is the scene, and after that insertion 10, 20, 25, 30. To insert 25, the computer must shift all elements after it. That means 30 will move, 40 will move, and this shifting costs times. That is why insertion and deletion in arrays are big of n time complexity. So arrays are fast for access but slow for shifting operation. Fifth, one more thing students often ignores, array usually have fixed size. Example, we have this array. You cannot store the sixth element here because the memory was allocated already. And that is why languages like Java, Python introduce dynamic arrays like ArrayList, Actor, Python list, and these structures resize automatically. Why arrays are foundation of DSA? If you look at most of the DSA problem, arrays are everywhere, means everywhere, like sliding window concept, two pointers technique, binary search. Almost 40 to 50% of the interview problems are based on array logic. So if your array thinking is strong, many complex problems become easier for you.